So guys, in this video I will share you how you can earn daily $2 or $3 and the method I am getting traffic from this website. So I am sharing the secret method where you can get traffic also. So this list is actually my statistics and I will share the whole list with you in the comment section. So first, today I am going to share you how you can get traffic from Hercule list. I already make a video about it, but this is an updated video for those who actually missed the some new point. I will discuss this in this video. So at first, if you want earning from Adsterra with a blog, okay, you must have a blog first. So for that you just need to make a blog set from here. Okay, I know if you are old in this area, don't worry, I am giving you some technique in here. Don't skip this video. If you have set up the ad, that's okay, but you must know how properly set up the ad in your blog spot. So this video is covering everything, like how you can set up the blog properly in the theme section. So I hope you got my point. So in theme section you need to add minimum 3 code. Those 3 code is very important. So at first you go Adsterra and monetize your website first with a pop-under code. I hope you get this. You need just 5 minutes or 3 minutes to do that. After getting the code, click on get code. Okay, then copy it, then go to your Blogger account, in theme setting and in edit HTML section, paste the code under head code. Okay, I hope you got it. Now again you need to make a social bar. This is very important. Create this and in a minute you will get the social bar code also. You must paste this code in the blogger theme section in the head section. I hope you got this. So 2 code must put in here, otherwise your earning will very slow. After that you need to get another code which is native code, native banner. Okay, just create this. Within a minute your code will be ready. So as you can see, native banner code is also ready. After that just copy this and in the theme section you must do this. Okay, at the very end section of body, just you can drag and drop here. Okay, in the body section just paste it. Okay, this area done. Your everything is now done. Just save this theme and review your blog is perfectly working or not. If this method is working for you, that means you are 50% work done. See, ad is showing and native banner code and social code, everything is working fine. Now what actually we are going to do? We are going to do make a post. The post is about maximum impression and less interaction. Like if anyone see my page, I will get maximum impression from that person. Give a title. In the body section copy the native banner code first. Okay, just one time this code you have to copy and in HTML view mode paste in here. And after that you need a banner code which you have to add, like here. Always choose the 7 to 8 into 90. This is very good banner code for all time. Okay, just create this and copy this banner code from here. Okay, now see, you must paste it in here multiple times, like 20, 30, 40, 50, multiple times. Paste it. After paste this code, just publish this post. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so publish this post and confirm it. Now your post is ready. Just test it working perfectly or not. So this is my post, this is native code, this is banner code. Is actually already working. Now you have to make an account in Hercules Plus. I will give you the account list and everything in the comment section. You can just click and go there. Then you see you have to sign up here. You easily can sign up with a Gmail. That's it. So see how actually I am doing. Okay, my sign up process is now complete. I just need to ensure the confirm email. Okay, then paste in the confirm email section, like in here. Okay, in here. Now you can see that my account ready. You now need to know how this website work. So at first you validate your account, then go to the Hercules and you will see the zone section. Click on the zone. This section is very simple. You need to watch ad and you will get traffic in your website. That's it. Every time you watch ad in here, you will get traffic in your website. So how you can get your traffic? You need to just paste your link here. That's it. Next, click on the next zone site. You will get another ad, and this ad give you point. So when you get point, this site will also show your ads with other person. Click on setting, and you can now post your link here. Very simply, post your link. Go to the blogger section, share this link and copy the link from here and paste it in the URL section of the zone. Control V. You can test this if you have confusion. See, my website is working very fine with all impression ad. So I just need to change URL here. Done. My website setting is done. After that, okay, after that you just now go and see ad. Now another section which is very important, power blurb. If you promote your site in the zone and Hercules blurb, you will get double traffic. So at first try the zone section, and when you are getting much traffic, then try power blurb section. So power blurb section is different because you have must 500 credit to add a link, which is not necessary in the zone section. In the zone section you can easily add your link, but in this section you cannot easily add your link without 500 credit. So to get this credit, you must watch ad and you must get 500 credit to submit a link. If you earn 1000 2000, you will get more traffic in your site. So how you can add points in your, you just click on 35 credit link which I have shown you, then this link will bring you here. Just watch ad in here, generate some points from here and click on the circular button, submit your link in here. That's it. It's simple as simple. So see, everything is fine. Now I will share a list of good traffic exchange site which is working very fine for me. You can get traffic from there also. Also try multiple site to get traffic. Don't depend on only one site. So I have shared you the zone section and the circular section today video. Hope you got this. Work like this and share me your result. Join the Telegram group. I have made a group for you all guys. Just share your idea. Hope we will win this war of online earning. Thank you guys.